everyone, this is an easy chignon hairstyle. First, I spray with some texture spray, smooth it out a little bit, then tie it into a ponytail, nice and secure like this. Then all I do is just put my fingers through it and pull it through, returning it into a simple loop like this, nice and secure. Just tighten it up a little bit, then spray with some more texture spray, pinch and pull it out a little bit, give it a bit more volume, then spray the bottom. All we're going to do is just back comb it a little bit like this, and then roll it up to the top of the loop. It's a little bit fiddly because we got a little bit flyaway. All the product used will be in the description below. Then just hold it a little bit and then pin it away with some bobby pin. Use as much as you need. All the flyaway, just spin it out, fan it out a bit, then spray with some more texture spray. Pinch and pull it out just to give it a little bit more volume to it. Then spray some hairspray on it, and this is the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. I always appreciate you liking it. Thank you ever so much for watching my video. Bye.